started back there?
Yeah, it must have had a lot of rain out here, and they don't get much out here either, so that's what's crazy. So I don't know how much that cut out then, but I don't think it must have been much because I was looking at it just before.
I feel like I was too. I think we're going to turn right soon.
Yeah, I know that's what Photo Luke was saying, like with the batteries in them. That's one of the main reasons, a handle I bought that sometimes I hate.
Yeah.
That you charge up. Because you're saying it's not the GoPro that gets hot, it's the batteries, that's what makes them switch off.
In a quarter of a mile, right turn onto Mahalo
A lot of people
Place.
Is that what it's named?
Yep.
were saying that a lot of the times they'll just simply, you know, it's been a weird day, like, we're gonna go. What goes through that? Isn't it just that?
It's not. Maybe that's the back end of a hotel.
Whoa. That's over there.
The Starbucks right next to it.
Where?
Right there. To your
Where?
left.
Oh, these two. Huh.
Interesting.
What do you know? What do you know?
Sure, the entrance is here.
Near the
Is this
heart.
it? Sure. Where was this entrance, babe? Because we parked beside it over there last time.
You've been here before?
Check-in valet and buses.
Up this way?
Yep. That's self-parking, guest parking. You need a key for that.
Beautiful out there, isn't it?
It is.
Hi. How are you? Yeah, checking in.
What's on you guys? Need help with the luggage?
There's a lot of luggage, yes.
Luggage? Were you all checking in as Disney Vacation Club members?
No, just regular people.
No worries. It's the same price whether you valet or self-park.
Yep.
Want to valet with us?
Valet, yeah.
Sounds good. Last name, sir?
Latham, Latham for Mary.
You said Mary was the first name, or?
No, like M for Mary, and
Oh,
Latham.
okay.
Yeah.
And then the first name?
Brodie, Brodie. Sorry.
Alright, no worries. Okay, Brodie. I'm gonna pull you guys up, okay? Just left side behind the van.
Yep, no worries at all. Thank you. Do you want to hold that?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're here.
Yeah. It's drenched though.
I don't even care.
Hi.
Checking in today?
Yes.
Alright, welcome to Aulani, guys. You guys need any assistance with the luggage today?
Yes.
Okay.
Please.
And I'm going to be valeting the vehicle as well?
Yes, please.
Perfect. I'm going to get it going for you guys and I'll check on the status. I'll see if the room is ready.
Yep. Oh, no worries at all. Thank you. So that was just a shortened version of our drive from Waikiki to Koalina to Aulani Disney. We will have so much more to come on this resort, from our room to walk around to swimming to food. So please like, subscribe, and as always, we greatly appreciate all of you. So thank you so much, and more to come.